You are probably familiar with 2D graphs, for which we use a function of x. For example, now we can say that a function of x is equal to y, and a function of x can be equal to any expression. For example, function of x is equal to x squared. This is already enough to draw a function graph. It will be a parabola. But what is a 3D graph? Let's take a closer look at this. If in the case of a 2D graph, we use a function of x, which creates a dependence of y on x, or vice versa. So in the case of a 3D graph, we need to use a function of x and y, which will express the dependence of z on x and y. This function can also be equal to any expression, which this time can use two variables, x and y. For example, x squared plus y squared. Now we have z equal to x squared plus y squared, but how are we supposed to visualize this? Such a function has two inputs, x and y, and one output, z. That is, we can represent the input as points on this xy plane. And the output we can consider the height of the point along the z-axis. If we solve the equation for each point on the xy plane, and put it at the right height, then we will get surface. Like this. This is what a 3D graph looks like. It is very similar to a regular 2D graph with one difference. It sets the dependence on several variables, and not on one variable. That's probably all. Bye.